In the last video, we learned about how much it costs to attend classes at a 2-year community college like Bunker Hill or RCC. Today I have good news for a lot of students. There is a tuition-free community college program for most graduates of Boston Public Schools. If you have at least a 2.0 GPA, you qualify for financial aid in college. In other words, mostly if you have your legal documents, if you're not undocumented. And you do well enough on your placement exams, so you don't have to take too many remedial classes. Then, if you are a Boston Public School graduate, you can go to community college without paying tuition. They will also pay another, I think, $200 every semester to help you with supplies and other mandatory fees. That doesn't mean college is completely free. There are still other costs you have to pay. But they will pay for tuition, which is the biggest part of the cost of college. I have put the link to that program in the online assignment. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I think the college advisors like Ms. Dixon and of course our counselor, Ms. Gaynor, would know more about this. What is a 2.0 GPA? 2.0 means you average a C. You need an average of a C to qualify for this program. That doesn't mean you need a C in every class. It means, your average. If you take the mean of all your grades, it needs to be at least a C. That also means if you have a B in one class and a D in another class, that might still count. So tuition-free community college. That allows you to earn your associate's degree without having to pay most of the cost. What about undocumented students who are not citizens and don't have a green card? That's a lot more difficult. There are ways to potentially get financial aid to get some money to help you go to college, but honestly, it's much more difficult. It's not impossible if you don't have documents to go to college. We have had other BADA students before who have been able to do that. But honestly, it's a lot more difficult. Finally, we should mention that compared to a 2-year community college like RCC, a 4-year university like UMass Boston is going to be a lot more expensive, both because it takes 4 years, but also because every semester is going to cost more. There's another program that helps students with getting a bachelor's degree after you complete your community college. That helps you financially, but I think you have to apply, and I think you have to do well with your community college grades. Alright, that's it for today.